Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what access you still have, the username and the email or phone linked to the Roblox account. Once confirmed, open the Roblox login page and choose Forgot Password. Enter that email or phone so Roblox can send a reset link or code. Make sure you can receive messages on that contact now, because the next steps depend on that verification channel working immediately. Now follow the link or enter the code delivered to you and complete the on-screen form. Choose a new password with at least 12 characters combining letters and numbers. Once done, confirm the change, and if you use two-factor authentication, type the code from your Authenticator app or SMS to finalize. If the reset link expired, request a new one and repeat these steps. Timing matters because Roblox links timeout. Finally, sign in with your new password and test critical features like game access and purchases to confirm everything is restored. If the reset email didn't arrive, check spam and filters, then request another link and verify your email provider isn't blocking Roblox. If you no longer control the linked email or phone, gather proof of ownership, purchase receipts, creation date, and contact Roblox support to regain the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.